We all have our version of a dream house. What if we told you that you could get it 3D printed into a life-sized livable model? Yes, this is very much possible, and a German company has already done it. Find out how in today's video. We'll talk about the company and the idea behind this mode of construction. So let's step into the future and see how this is even possible. By now, most of us are already familiar with 3D printing on a smaller scale. We know that there are a lot of companies around the world that make use of 3D printing for their projects, prototypes, and even jewelry. It's fast and gives accurate results according to what you feed into the system. However, all of this is on a much smaller scale than this German company. Peri is a family-owned building business. They are one of the leading manufacturers and suppliers of framework and scaffold systems in the world. Peri are also the German distribution partners of Cobalt printers. They acquired their stake in the company back in 2018 and have since been using Cobalt Bod 2 printers to 3D print many of their projects, not only in Germany but in the US as well. Peri is well on its way to build a project with Habitat of Humanity for affordable 3D printed houses in Arizona. The company made use of the Cobalt Bod 2 printer to 3D print the 160 square meters, two-story residential building in Beckum, North Rhine-Westphalia, Germany. The project was unveiled in October 2020, and printing had already started in September that same year. This was sure to leave a notable mark on the future of construction. The printer that was used is said to be the fastest on the market. It's pretty obvious that a project of this magnitude would need a lot of planning and multiple approvals. The planning and execution of the relevant approval tests of the materials used were carried out by the Central Baustoff in München of the Technical University of Munich. The structure of the house was designed by Men's Korte engineers and architects, with the help of design and detailing software Allplan. The 3D printed house was officially inaugurated by Ina Scharenbach, Minister of Construction, Home, Municipal Affairs and Equity of the state of North Rhine-Westphalia. Let's talk about the construction process. The system used was made of a printhead that traveled along 3 axes on a sturdy metallic frame. This gave room for the printhead to move to different locations within the structure. It only needed to be adjusted once, which would allow the process to be less costly and not very time-consuming. The substance that was used during the construction of this home is known as iTech 3D. It was created by German multinational building material company Heidelberg Cement. iTech 3D is claimed to have, quote, excellent pumping and extruding characteristics. The substance is designed in such a way that it meets all the unique and distinctive requirements of 3D printing or construction, and is said to work flawlessly with the Bod 2 printers. The print head requires 2 operations, and the print results are supervised through a camera. The printed structure is made out of triple skin hollow walls that are then filled with insulating material. The Bod 2 printer is able to finish a 1 square meter of double skin wall in less than 5 minutes at a speed of about 2.2 miles per hour. This is considerably fast for such a heavy-duty 3D printer. Furthermore, the printer can analyze the structure and leave room for pipes and other fittings. It leaves space for connections like water, electricity and other utilities to be added later. This has to be done manually within the printing area. The manual tasks like fitting pipes and connections can be performed simultaneously and completed while the structure is being printed by the print head. This 3D printed residential house built with the 3D concrete printer has won the German Innovation Award from the German Design Council, the administrative entity assigned with the task of recognizing products and solutions that stand out and create added value. Printing was completed in July 2021. It took about 100 hours of work over the course of 10 months, and ever since, the doors have officially been opened. All of the information we've gathered points towards how the future of construction is becoming more and more innovative. It will involve less labor and heavy-duty tasks from workers. The futuristic technology will give more room for innovation and freedom to architects. It makes space for new design possibilities. Through this project, a lot more doors have been opened to various opportunities, and this provides positive pressure in the construction industry. The process is faster and requires less manpower. It also paves the way for learning and growth into a new field of study. This idea can be expanded further through research and development, and this particular project is said to be the milestone for 3D concrete printing that has set many things in motion for the industry. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like and share this innovative development with your friends. Until next time.